guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually my first ever time making a big video for you guys, and since it's Halloween season, so one of you guys told me to make a Rice Crisp Halloween edition. So let's get started. All you need is some paper, a pencil. You can use sketches, markers, or color pencils, it's your choice. Some clear tape and a scissors. You can use cotton or plastic bag. You can use clipboard or a big book so that you can draw perfectly. So this is the paper squishy which I'm going to be drawing right now. So after drawing it, now let's color it. Now after coloring it, let's tape it. After taping it, now let's cut it out. After cutting it out, now let's take one more paper. After drawing the lines, let's color it. After coloring it, now we have to just tape it. After taping it, now let's cut it out. Now after cutting it out, now let's tape it. So maybe some of you guys may be confused how to tape it, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. Take some little bit of tape and tape it to the smaller pieces of the paper, like this. And take the front sheet of the paper and just tape it in the end of the paper. And do the same in all the 4 sides. After taping all the 4 sides, now take one more paper for the back side. Now after drawing the back side, now let's tape it. After cutting it out, just leave the top part open and the 3 sides taped. Now after taping all the 3 sides and leaving the top part open, now let's just put the cotton in. So I had to cut out 2 of my old paper squishies to fill up this one. After filling it with cotton, now just tape the top part. So I had to come downstairs because there was an angry storm coming in and it was so dark. So I'm going to be showing you guys the after results. Here it is, and I absolutely love it, and it's so squishy. And what will you guys rate this paper squishy out of 10? Comment down below and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.